Hello, today I'll show you how to indent paragraphs in Google Docs. Method 1, using the Tab key. Place your mouse cursor at the beginning of the sentence or line that you want to indent. Press the Tab key on your keyboard. This automatically indents the line by one standard tab space. Method 2, using the Format menu, go to the Format tab at the top of the screen. Select a line and indent. To manually adjust the indentation, use the Increase Indent or Decrease Indent options. Choose the desired alignment option. And that is how you can easily indent paragraphs in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.